What's up, you guys? So I know it's been a hot minute since I made a video, but we're making another video today. So basically today what I'm gonna be doing is cleaning up my exhaust. I've had it for about a year now, and so I think I just want to hit it with something just to keep it looking brand new, you know, make it have that new look on it. So let's go ahead and get into it. I bought this cleaner, I guess, for it that's called White Diamond. Not sure if it's any good, but basically it says to let it sit on there for a minute, put it on with the towel, a clean towel, and then wipe it off with another microfiber towel for the best results supposedly. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm gonna let you see it before and then after. Let's hop into it. All right, so as you guys can see right now, the tips are really pretty polished, as you can see. It is a Greddy exhaust, if any of you guys are wondering. But as soon as you start going down on the exhaust, you start to get a haze look on it, you know? And that's what I want to prevent from happening to it. It's kind of like getting old in a way. So basically I'm gonna put it on and see how it comes out to be. Alright, so like I said, the instructions technically just says to put it on there, let it sit on for a minute, I guess, let it do its magic, and then clean it off. So that's what we're about to do. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Maybe it was already open, shit. Anyways, I have towels right here. I got new towels because I was like, man, I don't even have any at home, so got some new towels. And this is basically something you can do on your own. No way am I a professional at doing this. I'm just following the instructions on there. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna apply on here. It says apply a little bit, but it's a big exhaust. So I guess step number one, we're applying it. And it says let it sit for a minute. So hopefully this does the trick on it. And it's pretty hard. I guess I kind of want to, yeah, it kind of does start getting all that black stuff off. So I'm going to spray some more on here. Obviously that was like barely enough for like anything. I'm gonna of course get the tips, even though they already look shiny, but to make it look even more shinier, I guess you can say. Hopefully it works. I'm hoping that's what fixes it. Oh, it smells nasty, to be honest. I can already see it getting like to a haze type of look. So what I want to do is completely cover both sides of the exhaust and then hit it with another microfiber towel. Basically that's how I was planning on doing. So just to give you a general idea, this is how much I'm basically spraying on there and just wiping it off or on. So I'm basically just hitting it over here on this side now. So I am getting all this black leftover stuff. So I'm gonna let it sit now for about a minute and then go at it with the microfiber towel again. So as you guys can tell already, it's starting to look much better. I haven't even wiped it down. It's been about a minute, so I'm about to hit it with the new microfiber towel and get it off really good and see what it looks like. And honestly, I had just, my car, sorry. So it's a little hot, but anyways, it looks like it's turning out good. It looks cleaner than it driven my exhaust it down or anything. So I'm about to wipe it down now, and you guys will see what it looked like from there. All right, so I got this other microfiber towel. I'm just gonna hit it hard. Basically get the haze look off of the exhaust. That's basically what it says to do. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's way shinier, way cleaner, as you can tell already. Even the exhaust tips are way shinier. But I still do see like watermarks on it, so what I'm gonna do again is hit it one more time and leave it on there for about 5-10 minutes and then dry it off. And you do have to put a lot of force into it. They say, you know, to buff it off with the microfiber towel. But you do have to put some manpower into it, I guess you could say. But anyways, I'm gonna hit it one more time, then take it off, and show you guys the final results. I'm letting it dry off, and I said like this time I'm letting it dry off for about like I don't even know how long, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been sitting for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer because it did have like watermarks, like I said. And then I'm gonna wipe it down and let y'all take a look at it. Probably will do it way better since I let it sit. I hit it one last time, and I think hitting it twice was the like magic touch, I guess. It looks way better, way more clean. My exhaust tips look cleaner than they already did. I guess I'm pretty speechless. I didn't think it was gonna work this good. But like I said, this is the product that I use, White Diamond microfiber towels. Let it sit, I would say a little bit longer. It says a minute. Let it sit probably 10 minutes and then wipe it down. Hit it hard, put some muscle into it, and it definitely will come out. As you can see, it's starting to reflect. You can see me laying down on the ground, but it's really good. All right, guys, so it turned out way better than I thought. It looks like a brand new exhaust, to be honest. If I would have hit it all the way down there where people can't see, it doesn't really matter, but where people can see, that's where I hit it. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and drive safe. I'll see you guys on the next one.